everyone, welcome to Behind the Sign with J&J.
I'm Jorda and this is Jess, and we're here to chat about all things real estate.
Each month we'll chat with local experts about all things buying, selling, renting and more.
So grab a cuppa,
sit back and let's get into it. This month, we're here with Grant Harris, Director and Licensed Real Estate Agent here at Raine Horne.
We'll be speaking with Grant about investing in properties in 2026.
Thanks for having me.
So, investing. What type of investment properties currently offer the strongest return?
That's a great question. There's plenty of options, obviously, from units, standalone villas, houses, and even commercial properties. And for those with a lot more cash, you can also invest in rural properties. It really depends on what you're after. If you're after cash flow or long-term capital gains, and they all offer slightly different returns on your investment. So it's not a one-size-fits-all model, but long-term property in Wagga is the way to go.
And what do you think is the biggest misconception investors have about regional markets like Wagga?
I think the biggest misconception is that regional centres are highly volatile, that there isn't any long-term growth, and that we're basically riding kangaroos down the main street, that we're a backwards town, we don't have good coffee, or there's no reasons to come to Wagga or to invest in Wagga, which is totally false. We're a large regional centre underpinned by defence, health, a lot of government spending. We've got the university, we've got a lot of factors driving growth, and there's some massive projects happening with the redevelopment of the Army and the RAF base. We've got the Inland Rail project going on at the moment, so there's a lot of government spending. We're also underpinned by a large rural base. So Wagga really is a strong place for investors to put their money into.
Now, looking ahead 10 to 20 years, where do you see Wagga's property market trajectory?
It's always hard to predict the future, but given over the last 25 years we've had 4.5% to 5% growth annually, there's no reason to think that that won't continue. Again, with the government spending, the New South Wales government has mandated that we want to grow to 100,000 population in the next few years, so we really do need to see long-term growth and redevelopment in Wagga, and that will underpin the values going forward.
So you mentioned defence bases, and they obviously bring a significant amount of activity to Wagga. So how does that affect the property market?
Quite a few reasons, actually. It's not only the government spending with trades coming to town and reinvesting in Wagga, but it's also the personnel. So a lot of personnel come to town, and if they're not accommodated on base, they look to get either rentals or to buy in the private sector. So that obviously drives demand, which increases prices.
So Wagga's set for big expansion in 2026.
Thanks, Grant, for being here. Did you have any final thoughts?
Yeah, I was just going to say that we might not have the boom and bust of the metro markets, but consistent growth and solid rental returns really does mean Wagga is a great place to invest.
If you'd like to know more about investing in Wagga, please reach out to our team at Raine Horne.
If you'd like to keep up to date with Behind the Sign, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll be back next month with a new episode and a new guest.